Is Isaac in there? Say hi! Hi! Yay! You want to do it again? You want to do it again? He says, Grandpa, help me. I want to do it again.
Want to do it again?
Oh, now it's dark and my video won't be able to see.
Oh, you won't?
That's okay. That's fine.
Turn that light on.
I hear that growling. Alright, there we go. Okay, let's try it again.
Oh, we got to put stuff in there. Where's all those blocks? Oh.
Here, Isaac. He didn't see it go in. Isaac, what are you making that face? Give him that little fire person right there, Ian.
Yeah, this one doesn't come off.
Now throw it down in
there. Okay.
there. There he goes. There he goes.
He's going to come off the other.
It can't because there's a thing in the way.
Isaac!
You see him? Look at
Isaac, hi! Look over here.
Isaac.
Oh, let's try it again, okay. Hi! Oh, he's an Isaac in the box. Yay!
Go to your grandma.
He's so fast.
He is.
Say hi, Grandma.
Hi.
Say hi, Grandma. Grandma says no. No.
No. No. No. No. No. No. No. No. No. No. No.